guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, hello and thank you for coming back. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you a quick and simple fall makeup tutorial. I'm super excited about taking you guys through my fall makeup routine. If you like this video, give me a fat big thumbs up. So guys, let's get started. First, I will be starting with my brows. My brows are the first thing I do when I do my makeup. I'm going to be using David's pencil in shade 18 to outline my brows and also fill it up. I'm also using Melanin Brow Filler to fill up the brows. Now I'm using some concealer to clean up underneath my brows. This is just to make sure that it's super neat and sharp. To highlight the upper part of my brows, I'm using my face foundation. I like to use this instead of a concealer because I find it easier to blend out. To blend, I'm using a Real Technique blending brush, and I'm just going to be using this brush to blend in the excess concealer to make sure it's all seamless and there isn't any harsh lines. Using the same Real Technique blending brush, I'm just applying leftover foundation on my eyelid to prep it for eyeshadow application. For this look, I will not be applying eyeshadow, so for that reason, I'll be using my face powder to set my eyebrow area and also my eyelid to make them look as natural as possible. To apply eyeliner, the first thing I do is to create a line using my David's pencil. Next, I'm just applying liquid eyeliner using the line I drew as a guideline. Next, I'm lining my underwater line with this eyeliner. The name will be in the description box down below. To make my eyeliner wings look sharper and neater, I'm cleaning up using a flat angle brush and little foundation. Next, I will be prepping my face with this face primer before applying foundation to my face. For my foundation, I'm using Mary Kay foundation, and I'm just using a Real Technique brush to apply the product to my face. To highlight my face, I'm using Elegant Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to be highlighting my under eyes, my nose, my chin, and my forehead. I'm using a beauty blender to blend, and as you're blending underneath your eyes, make sure you're moving slightly towards the side of your nose to ensure a smooth blend. Set my face, I'm using Bare 9 Luxury Powder, and I'm just applying it on all the highlighted areas. Now to contour my nose, I'm using this contour and blush palette from BH Cosmetics. And when it comes to contouring your nose, the closer you draw your contour lines, the thinner your nose will appear. Another helpful tip will be that to ensure that the contour lines are straight so that your nose doesn't appear funny. Next, I'm using the blush in the contour palette to contour my face, and I'm just going to be applying this blush on my face in a very vertical manner, and I'm also going to be applying this all over my forehead. To set my face and make my whole face come together, I'm just dipping in my fluffy brush into my Bare 9 setting powder, and I'm just applying it all over my face. I'm also using the same fluffy brush to apply melanin pressed powder to my face. To highlight my face, I'm using two different highlights. One from MAC, that's the first one I'm using now, and the next is from Inglot. I like to use two different highlights just to achieve more intense glow. Yes. Now I'm just setting my face using this fixing spray. So here's the finished look, guys. I hope you guys love it. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.